Good morning. The 2nd of March, and today Advent's embrace continues the theme of renewal and blooming in the power of the word space. Today's message: I accept and value myself and my experience. Self-acceptance is the foundation upon which inner peace and personal growth are built. It truly removes tons of invisible tension from our shoulders. Our experience has made us who we are today, and that deserves deep respect. We often become the harshest judges of ourselves. We search for mistakes and blame ourselves for the past. Yet that very experience has been our teacher. Every challenge, every moment of confusion is a brick in our inner temple. Sometimes we don't even realize that something is still holding us in the past, waiting for our attention. To truly feel reconciled with your past, find time to be alone in silence. Sit in front of a mirror. Take a few deep breaths. And say to yourself, I accept and value myself and my experience. I accept myself at every stage of my life. I respect my path. It may not be easy. Sometimes you might want to keep tissue nearby. But tears are not a weakness. They are a connection with ourselves and sincere acceptance. This experience is familiar to me. As a child, I believed life should be lived in a way that you are never ashamed to look into your own eyes. Later, as an adult, I discovered Louise Hay's mirror work, which taught me something different. To look into the mirror not with judgment, but with love. At first, I didn't even believe it worked. But one day, during the practice, I couldn't hold back my tears. It felt as if I was crying for all the years of my life. And then I felt an incredible silence, a deep peace. A state where I no longer needed to fight myself. Change always takes time. So don't give up if the connection doesn't come immediately. Sometimes it takes more than one attempt before you can truly open up to yourself. I am deeply grateful to Louise Hay for her practices and for their appearance in my life exactly when I needed them. I often return to mirror work because when we open the hidden rooms of our soul, we renew that inner space and let light enter. And I know for sure it is never too late to begin. To strengthen the effect, try writing small dialogues with yourself at different ages. Remember your fears or disappointments and speak to yourself in that moment. I love and value you. I am always here. I am always with you. I honor every step you have taken. When we say, I accept myself and my path, tension slowly dissolves, and in its place comes confidence. Whatever happened before, right now we are safe. And a bright future awaits us. Have a safe and gentle day. Your power of the world from advance embrace.